Hello world, it's Eric here with a simple, easy unboxing show. Yes, check it out. I got a new humidifier. Woohoo! Hopefully, it'll be a little bit easier to use than the other one. I can't wait to open it and try it out. It's a Winix Ultrasonic Humidifier with light cell. 2-gallon capacity. Made in Korea. It looks like it even has a humidity sensor. 120 hours runtime. UVC LED technology. Aroma pad included. Warm and cool mist. Night mood light. Ooh, sounds cool. To get in the mood for nighttime. Top fill design. That's the most important thing that I'm hoping for. A top fill design. So I don't have to take the whole machine apart every time I want to put more water in it. It should make it a lot faster and easier to fill it up. And it includes some treatment capsules. Demineralization capsule. Alright, cool. My house gets really dry in the wintertime. So I need to run my humidifier constantly just to keep the humidity up to a reasonable level, you know, 20-30%. These might be the capsules. Alright, it's pretty light since it's not full of water. Nicely packaged. Uh-oh, what was that pop? Oh, hey, check it out. Nothing else in there. Oh, it's got a little handle. So you can carry it around, lift it up and carry it. Ooh, it's heavy when I lift it like that. Ah. Okay, so I guess that's the front then. And it looks pretty cool. Fill it in the top. I didn't read the instructions. Ah, it's taped shut. Alright, it does look like you can just fill it up right there. Take off the top, dump the water in, and I think this is where the vapor comes out. Cool. This little hole here. Pretty simple and easy. Some warnings down there. Do not allow water into this opening. What opening? Hey, it also comes with one pre-soaked aroma pad refill. It provides 48 hours of scent, lavender, citrus, flower, oil, and others. That's cool. And eucalyptus pads, eucalyptus oil, menthol, glycol, cedar leaf oil, and others. Tear the packet open and insert aroma pad into aroma tray and then close the aroma tray. It's got some warnings on the back too. So the aroma tray is right here in the back. How do you open it? And you can save 10% on authentic Winix filters if you join the Winix Club. Hey, enter for a chance to win $500 and learn more about clean air quality. Okay, I was right. These are the demineralization capsules. Has adjustable mist level from the lowest output to the highest output. Level 1 to 5. 360-degree rotating mist nozzle. So you can turn it and get the mist going where you want it to go. All right. Push the oil tray at the back of the base and pull it out. Push and pull. Push. Ah, there we go. Cool trick. And that's the oil tray. Cool. Well, I should probably figure out where I want to put it before I get it all filled up. But it probably wouldn't hurt to do a quick demonstration. Let's try it out. Let's check out the mood light. Nice long cord. Cool. Alright, I saw something turn on there. There's no water, so let's put some water in there. See if it really is as simple and easy to fill as it says. Just pour some water into the top. Well, it's about a half gallon. Barely filled it up. The max fill line is somewhere around here. Looks like this only goes on one way because the air hole is off-centered. Hey, look at that. It's blowing mist already. Ooh. Cool mist. You can turn it around, make that mist go wherever you want it to. This is